How do you feel after you finish a day at work? This seems like a pretty simple question, right? But let's have a look at an example answer. Well, I typically feel quite drained. Most students would just say, I feel tired, but we have used higher level vocabulary. Typically means normally, and drained means you have no energy left, so maybe you're quite tired. And also, note here how we have started with a shorter sentence. There is nothing wrong with using shorter sentences sometimes, but you need to balance them with some longer sentences as well. Yes, it's satisfying to know I've completed my tasks and made progress, but sometimes the workload can be a bit exhausting. So we are showing the examiner that we know lots of different words instead of saying tired. Firstly, we have said drained. Secondly, we have said exhausting. And also, look how we have used the word satisfying. If something is satisfying, it means it makes you feel quite good. Progress, that means you're moving forward. Workload, that just means work, how much work you have to do. I always rush home in the evening so I can recharge for the next day, which I do by listening to some music and reading a good book. So rush home means you try to get home very quickly and have a rest so the next day you have more energy. And note here that after next day, we don't just stop. We have a comma or we have a pause, and then we give more information by saying which.